How psychology works. Psychology works by using scientific methods to study and understand human behavior and mental processes. Psychologists use a range of research methods, such as experiments, surveys, case studies, and observational studies, to collect and analyze data. Through this process, they aim to identify patterns and relationships in human behavior and mental processes. Psychology also involves the application of theories and principles to real-world problems. For example, clinical psychologists use their understanding of human behavior and mental processes to diagnose and treat mental illnesses. Educational psychologists use their knowledge of learning and motivation to develop effective teaching strategies. Social psychologists study the impact of social influences on human behavior, which can be used to inform policies and interventions aimed at promoting social change. In addition to research and application, psychology also plays a role in understanding and promoting human well-being. Psychologists study factors that contribute to happiness and life satisfaction, such as positive relationships, meaning and purpose, and resilience in the face of adversity. They also work to promote mental health and prevent mental illness through interventions such as therapy, mindfulness training, and stress management techniques. Overall, psychology works by using scientific methods and principles to understand and improve human behavior and mental processes. It is a complex and ever-evolving field that continues to inform our understanding of the human experience.